Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I'm your host Soul, and today we take a look at Star Trek Discovery Season 2 on Blu-ray. So here's the cover. The spine. Hold on. There we go. And then the back, which we'll zoom in. And then hopefully you can read that. I know it's a little blurry. And then you open it up. And it shows the episode guide list on the back, but it also shows it on the disc. So here's disc 1. Here's disc 2. Disc 3. And disc 4. And then again the back. So this has been Star Trek Discovery Season 2 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.